Hello guys, this is Sam 20 once again. Today I want us to look at the topic of simplifying each expression, actually the topic of algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions. So I have found this question paper. I said, no, let me just solve this one for you, then you'll practice the rest. I'll solve the ones that I think they are a bit complicated. I'll simply solve number one as an icebreaker. I'll also solve number 19. I solved this one. Ah, 22, sorry. A bit easy. This one. 1, 2, 3 for the last one, I need the last one. Let me just choose 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, I'll simplify those ones. Then the rest you will do it yourself and you'll come back with a feedback. Then I'll show you the answers, or I'll tell you how to get the correct answers. Firstly, here, this is a icebreaker question because it's an easy one. This is multiply 3 with x, multiply 3 with 9. What is 3 times x? You get what? A 3x. What is 3 times 9? You get a 27, positive 27. This is the answer for number 1. So about that. Then you come with number 19. 3 times negative 7. 3 times negative 7. You get a negative 21. Don't leave the x. Then you say 3 times 5. What do you get? 5, 10, 15. You get a positive 15. Positive 15 because the 5 is positive and the 3 is positive. Then you continue with your plus 20x. 20x. Right, from here, you begin to group your like terms. I take negative 21x plus 20x plus 15. From here, what is negative 21? Negative 21 plus 20. You get a negative x plus 15. Or you can say 1x, but in math we don't usually put a 1 here. You just say negative x, because more like 20 subtract 21, which is 1 actually, which is negative 1. Okay, then we come to number 20. I'll use a different highlighter. Let me choose a different one. I'll write it here. Firstly here, this is a product. So I cannot say 12, I cannot say 12x minus 3x because negative 3x is a product on its own like this. So I cannot do that. Once a number is attached to brackets, you just multiply according to, apply for actually. So here I'm going to drop down the 12x, then you'll say negative 3. So about that. Negative 3 multiplied by x, negative 3x multiplied by x, you'll get a negative 3x squared. Remember, x to x multiplied by x, it's x squared. Then we say negative 3 multiplied by 9. Negative 3 multiplied by 9, you get a negative what? 27. From here, you can group them in ascending order because we are not factorizing. If we were factorizing, I'll go on to another stage, but we are not factorizing. This is the final answer because we're following the procedure of what? Simplifying. Simplifying. I know someone will want to continue, but this is the final step because we are simplifying. Then I come to number 22. I start here. Positive 5 multiplied by 8. Positive 5 multiplied by 8, you get a negative what? 40. Then you don't leave it. Say x multiplied by x, you get an x what? X squared. Then also multiply with what? With 12. 5 times 12. 5 multiplied by 12, get what? 60. So it's going to be plus what? 60 x, because the 5 has a variable of x. You can say plus 14x here. 14x, all right. You also don't continue here because you are just simplifying. Remember, you are simplifying, not factorizing. There's a big difference, or there's a thin line between factorizing and simplifying. Okay, I take this last one. 5x multiplied by this x, you get what? 5x squared. 5 multiplied by negative 3, you get negative 15. 15 what? X. Because 5 contain the variable of x. Then subtract 10 as we are given. This is your 10. Then from here you are done. Why are we done? We are what? Simplifying, we're not factorizing. You stop here. So you go on and practice and practice. You can practice this one if you want. You can also practice 21, practice 18, 17, 18, 21, 25, 9, 10, and 11. The one with brackets. Notice that I'm taking mostly the one with the brackets. So yeah, take care guys. This is where I'll stop for today. If you have any further question, you can ask me. You know where to find me. Take care of yourself. Don't forget to pray.